Location, location, location. This charming 3-bedroom 2-bath home in Kennesaw Ridge is ready for its new owners. Offering a master suite and laundry room on the main level, updated kitchen, warming gas fireplace, new roof in 2022, and new granite, just to name a few. In the spring, the lovely crepe myrtles will bloom and invite you right up on the covered front porch where you can sit and relax. As you walk in, you are invited in with hardwood floors stretching throughout the main living area. The spacious living room offers a natural gas fireplace, a nook under the steps that is perfect for a play area or desk space, and a door that leads to the back deck. The kitchen has been updated with beautiful granite countertops, and offers stainless steel appliances, a pantry, and a lovely eat and dining area. The laundry room is located beside the kitchen and leads into the extra living area / game room. Previous owner converted one side of garage / not cold or heated. A single car garage is beside this room. The well-lit master bedroom is located on the main level and has a master bathroom with a shower tub combo. Upstairs you will find a landing area perfect for a desk area, which leads you to the 2 spacious bedrooms with nice size closets and a full bathroom with a shower tub combo. This home has so much love.